I am going to pull the fire alarm.
Oh no, we have to get outside quick.
When they go outside.
I think the fire alarm have stopped.
When they go inside and Wolfoo was report to the office.
Someone pulled the fire alarm. Do you know who it was?
It was me. I pulled the fire alarm because I was bored.
Wolfoo, why did you pull the fire alarm? That's it, you were expelled for 5 days.
When Wolfoo got home.
Wolfoo, I cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm. You know you can get arrested for that.
That was it. You are grounded for 5 days, and you're not going to the park. Now go to your room now.
Wah ha 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 ha.